हायर कर रहे हैं, हम अपने ऐसा बंदा बनाने की कोशिश करें। We make him as we wish him or her to do. But that thing should be there in that person. When we give our training to him, is that person trainable? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
क्या वो व्यक्ति, वो स्टूडेंट जिसको मैं आज हायर कर रहा हूं, वो ट्रेनेबल है या नहीं है? नंबर 2, हाउ मच इज ही अडेप्टेबल? क्या वो अडेप्ट कर पाएगा? मैं ले तो लेता हूं उसे, would he be able to adapt to my surroundings, to my environment? Adaptability and you being a trainable are the two most important elements for a company to hire you. जो कि मुझे मालूम है, you are a fresher boss. Nothing is expected out of you. Basic education है, you are a graduate, जो मेरी most minimal qualification है, जिसे आप कहते हैं, this is called technical specifications. TS is what? Technical specifications. हर कंपनी में technical specifications होती हैं एक प्रोफाइल की, right? For example, अगर supposedly they want a person into their IT department, definitely उसकी होगी minimum a BCA, could be an MCA, could be a BTech or an MTech. Minimum is what? BCA. जो उसकी lower level की working होगी, उसमें BCS को रख सकते हैं, उसके ऊपर जब और हायर प्रोग्रामिंग और हायर उसको बीटेक जाएगा. This is how they level it. So you have technical specification, one BCA, second should know good command over English, क्योंकि आपका सारा working through the medium of English है, right? Number 3, जो मैं भी आपसे बात करूँगा, कि what do they consider in trainability? क्या इस व्यक्ति में वो चीजें हैं? If the student has these qualities, for me he is trainable. I can hire him. The moment you are lacking that thing also, and not all the things, maybe one of it. मैंने आपको बड़ा सिंपली एक चीज बोला था, आज दिल्ली में कैंपसेस कम नहीं है. आज दिल्ली में अगर हम एग्जैक्ट स्टैटिस्टिक्स लें, how many students are passing out their graduation this year, in the year 2020, that would run into few lakhs. Would you agree with me or not?
Yes.
Whole Delhi University College, I am talking of only Delhi NCR, I am not talking pan India. Whole Delhi University colleges, all IP University colleges, all private colleges, सब combine कर दिए जाएं, so there will be a massive amounts that would be there. Agree? For example, our graduates passing out this year would be something like 250 odd people from BBA, BBA, BC and BCom honors. Okay, another college 500, another day, so like making 1,000 this and then you add on, it will take number. So when a person is coming from a corporate and is speaking to you, वो क्यों excuse करेगा? इसको मुझे चाहिए एक communication skill has to be good. Trainability की क्या points हैं? Number 1, communication skills. Basic communication has to be fine. अगर आप नर्सरी में थे, नर्सरी से आपने 12th की, आपके 12-13 साल यहाँ निकल गए और आप 3 साल आपने ग्रेजुएशन कर ली, you are through with your basic higher education, also you are a graduate, 15 years you have passed by. If after 15 years you do not have a command over the basic grammar is not trainable. They can train you in fluency, they can train you in more better way of speaking, they will train you on more flowery words floating in your language, they can polish your language, they can further upgrade your English speaking. But when I say in trainability, what is the first point? That no two doubts is communication skills, and communication skills, everything is trainable. After accent ठीक नहीं है, you are hailing from any part of India and you have mother tongue influence, NTI कहलाता है. It is called vernacular also. You have vernacular accent with you. You are from south, you have a Dravidian impact. You are from east of India, you have a different accent. Okay. You are from Haryana, you have a different accent. Because mother tongue always would influence your speaking of a foreign language. Why people who speak absolute pure Hindi, जैसे आप हिंदी में खड़ी बोली बोलते हैं, जो खड़ी बोली बोलते हैं, उनकी इंग्लिश प्रोनाउंसिएशन बिल्कुल ठीक होती है. Are you getting me? जो प्योर हिंदी बोलने वाला बेल्ट है, and when they speak English, their English pronunciation is even better to the British people since I've stayed in London for so long. Even आपका जहाँ से origin है, English language from the UK, United Kingdom, England की language है, right? उसमें भी मतलब when you talk of South England, you talk of Mid England, you talk of North England. South England is where you have London. That is where the right accent of English is used. जो कि आप BBC में अगर कभी सुनेंगे, BBC के जो announcers हैं, जो news पढ़ते हैं, BBC की news पढ़ते हैं, they have that accent. But the moment you go to Mid UK, which is Birmingham, which is Manchester and all, English becomes different. The moment you go to North England, which is Scotland, they say we hardly speak English, we speak Scottish. You go to left, which is Ireland, which is a different country, but they also, their language is English only. Their Irish is absolutely different. For example, a British guy will speak South England wala guy will speak absolutely Spanish. Right? To a lady will speak respected manner. The moment you go to Mid UK, it becomes man. New level. How man? It's not in how man, right? The moment you go to North or mom, you know, you're able to make out man bola or mom bola. It becomes absolutely the Scottish accent. These all things are trainable. If I hire this guy, I want him to speak like this, and if I hire this guy, I want to speak him like this, can be made because this is trainable. But grammar is not trainable because grammar आपने इस 15 साल में सीखी है, वो आपके अंदर इतनी व्याप्त हो चुकी है, आपकी ब्लड स्ट्रीम में घुस चुकी है, उसे चेंज करना बहुत मुश्किल है. बेसिक ग्रामर, टेंसेस, मैं आपसे कहूँ कि आप मुझे बताइए आपने कल अपना दिन कैसे व्यतीत किया? How did you spend your yesterday? And you start the very first time to say, I wake up little late in the morning because you are gone. I woke up. Then I go to the park. No, I went to the park. Are you getting me? This is not credible. The moment you speak the first time as this, most immediately he would be saying, coming to the next person and speaking to the next person. Basic grammar. They don't want flowery English. They don't want you to use words which is coming out of the word vocabulary. But a basic grammar should be fine. Basic tenses should be fine. Getting my point? This is wrong grammar is not credible. Rest you have vernacular accent, you have whatever mother tongue influence, you have anything is credible. So they are looking at credible guys who should have that basic communication skills. I always talk about you. There should be the attitude of the guy. It should be fine because this attitude is a part of adaptability. फालतू नहीं है आपको अपने unnecessary care you are carrying about yourself. You're not an adaptable guy. Tomorrow it will be difficult for me to mold him, to tell him to do this or that because as he is speaking, and कैसे दिखता है attitude? आप इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो और आपका एक हाथ जेब में है. You getting me? I'm speaking as an interviewer. You don't know I'm pretty good in watching, in judging. I'm not saying for myself. I'm the interviewer, for example. I've been trained by the HRs. That is in my bloodstream now. The moment I meet somebody and somebody is walking towards me, I know what is there at the back of his or her mind. And when somebody is there and I start interviewing him and he's a little casual and he's starting like this and replying back to me with one hand in the pocket, attitude loss. This is purely attitude. Casual attitude. He's taking the interview too casually. Tomorrow he'll take his job profile casually. Day after he'll take the organization casually. I will not take him. He doesn't have the right. And that thing will lead him. Right?
Yes.
The right attitude. Don't show any remain very down to earth. Speak with good designated red head. Yeah, thank you, sir. That's right, sir. This is it. No attitudes, please. Right? वैसे भी इंटरव्यू को क्रॉस करने के लिए वैसे भी in your life nothing will come to you to have for no reasons. Become something. Even if you become something, why should attitude, come with you? People who touch the real heights and they really go to great skies are people sans attitude. They never carry out. I'm reminded of my father's friends. My father was a great guy, a renowned writer, and his all friends, they also were renowned personalities from different streams. Somebody was a renowned painter, somebody was a renowned journalist, and leading ones, your pastry guys of all kinds. But believe me, the pastry guys of literature, art, and all that, and believe me, they were so down to earth. So down to earth. And they had chokered their life in their respective field of art. Ask me because you want to gain something with shortcuts. You want to gain something so fast without really working that for it. वो generic खत्म हो गई, वो जो literatures होते थे, वो जो writers होते थे, so it's not there now. Very confusing. And I see my father morning to night, what they used to be do. Literature, his life was just nothing but literature, 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 and literature. That's it. So, attitude कहीं नहीं लेके जाता है, इसलिए बिल्कुल बिंदास, cool, relaxed, body language आपकी दिखानी चाहिए, किसी तरह की फालतू की एयर नहीं आप कैरी कर रहे हैं, absolutely down to earth person है, grounded man. This is what is very, very important for you to be considered that you are trainable, you have basic communication. You have no attitude, you are adaptable, and of course, very important, you can always talk. You should have the right energy. Energy is my technical specification, generic specification. मुझे मालूम है, or take my words for granted. Today my daughter is working with Deloitte. She leaves at 7 in the morning because it takes at least 1.5 hours to reach Gurgaon. Doctor, so my daughter, she's joined Deloitte. She just got through a chartered accountancy, and lucky to have the best organization to get started. And she starts at around 7ish in the morning because the office starts around 9ish. The office winds up at 6, and she's never left back before 9. Okay. So this is her daily routine. Yesterday she was back at around 10 because it was raining heavily in Gurgaon and then it was raining heavily in Delhi. And all traffic was choked. You have to put yourself, whether you join as a senior advisor in Deloitte, as a chartered accountant, or join as an executive in British Telecom. All these companies, they don't expect you to go and work, go and speak. They require you to work and dedicated work. And I know, I'll give you comfort. I know I am a company, come what may, दुनिया ऊपर की नीचे हो जाए, मैं आपको 2 दिन का ऑफ दूंगा. My Saturdays, Sundays are going to be off. Come what may. Come what may. I mean, सब companies का culture है, strong culture है. My Saturdays, Sundays are absolutely off. My Friday evening nearly afternoon, everybody gets into that weekend mode. The whole organization gets into the weekend mode. After nearly 3 o'clock, there is no work. Believe my words, Himani. No work after 3 o'clock. Everybody is talking on leaving for this or this, and everybody is into it. Into totality and talking. But वो जो Monday morning होती है, वो जो Monday blues कहलाता है, Monday morning जो होती है, up to this Friday afternoon, you are to be a committed soldier. और आप तभी committed soldier रह सकते हैं अगर आपके अंदर right energy levels हैं. आपका एनर्जी लेवल कैसे जज किया जाएगा? मुझे मालूम है, मैं इंटरव्यू हूँ, मैं यहाँ पर सुबह 10 बजे आया, आप सब लोगों से मिला, मैंने कंपनी का इंट्रोडक्शन दिया, एक प्रेजेंटेशन दी, और अब मैं जब आपसे मिल पा रहा हूँ 1 to 1, राइट? एक आपने रिटन टेस्ट दिया, मे बी आपने एक ऑनलाइन टेस्ट दिया, उसके बाद शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग हुई, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। मैं आपसे 10 बजे मैंने आप लोगों को एड्रेस किया था, अब मैं 3:30 बजे 3:30 आई एम मीटिंग यू 1-to-1 and I am finding somebody is still very energized, somebody is absolutely down, somebody is reflecting with really good aura, somebody doesn't have an aura at all, that is totally missing because your energy levels have gone down so low. I will not have it. आप मेरे जॉब का प्रेशर, उसका स्ट्रेस स्ट्रेन नहीं ले पाएंगे, तो I am constrained, you are speaking right English, there is no communication, I am finding you as such, you are absolutely perfecto, no attitude, very grounded person, talks real, absolutely grounded, but very low in energy. ये तीन मोस्ट बेसिक मान लीजिए आप, मोस्ट बेसिक ये तीन चीजें मान लीजिए। आपकी ग्रामर ठीक है, मैं नहीं कह रहा कि आपकी वोकैबुलरी इतनी इतनी ध्यान है, जबरदस्त वोकैबुलरी, you're flooded with English words like anything, but whatever English that you're speaking, don't speak it wrong.